That's what we are doing now. We're doing the parikrama of this great temple that is world renowned, and it's a gem of the Indian culture, and that's why it's called Kailash, the Kailash Parvat. That is the original one. That's in Himalayas. We do parikrama of that also, and we are doing parikrama of this Kailash temple also. Beautiful. I mean, every inch of it is still maintained. I don't know how, because the basalt rock, I guess. Basalt rock are the rocks formed by the lavas, and I mean, this is way beyond my imagination also, that someone can do something like this. I mean, have a look. I mean, I'm not joking even. See all the parts of it. Amazed, man, really. Just look at that 4 lions. They are well scrapped out mountain. You can see all these mountains are cut into a piece of structure like this, and this whole mountain has been cut. Big mountain, like that big, and I don't know why they choose this mountain particularly to cut it, because the monolithic structure में क्या होता है, you can't rebuild anything. If something is broken, then it's broken one time after all. Okay, एक ही पहाड़ को पूरा सिस्टमेटिकली काट के और हर एक चीज़ प्रॉपर मेंटेन की है. Like you can see, this is the main Garbhagriha, the Nitra Mandapam, the main Gopuram, and I'm really amazed really to see this with my own eyes for the second time in my whole life, and I am pleased that I will see this for years to come, because that is something that excites me all the time. For others it must be a structure. For me it's like it's a miracle, because you can't build that. ठीक है, आज के हम शायद कभी ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर नीचे से एक पहाड़ काट के ऊपर से एक पहाड़ के नीचे नहीं लेके जा सकते हैं. आप नीचे से कोई चीज़ बिल्ड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, बट नॉट फ्रॉम द बॉटम, आई गेस, टॉप, आई गेस. So it's very hard really to build this on the first place, and I'll show you each and everything related to this Kailash temple, because it has amazed my imagination from the very long time, and really when the last year I come here and see it, that time only it's like then little maze for my mind, I guess. So you can see the preservation, like really, like 1400 years old, and you can see the Nandi and all. It's all preserved here like this. So it's one of a kind, I can say, one of a kind. Say how much time and how much energy it must have took. But कहते हैं कि यहाँ पे 2000 टन पत्थर निकाला हुआ है यहाँ से, एंड 2000 टन पत्थर मतलब रोज़ के भी अगर 2 टन या 3 टन भी पत्थर रोज़ के भी निकाले आपके बहुत मैन पावर होने के बाद भी इसको 200-250 साल लगे होंगे बनने के लिए. एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिज़ाइन एंड ऑल, सिर्फ पत्थर निकालने के लिए. जस्ट हैव अ लुक रियली. एंड नीचे में जाएंगे तो डिज़ाइन तो देखोगे तो आप बोलोगे कि भाई क्या ही बनाया होगा भगवान ने. किसी भगवान ने लग रहा है कि आके बनाया है, क्योंकि इंसानों की बस की बात नहीं है. वो भी आज से 1400-1500 साल पहले 28वीं 8th सेंचुरी या 9th सेंचुरी में बना हुआ है. किसने बनाया किसी को नहीं पता. एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ अ काइंड मैन, रियली वन ऑफ अ काइंड. I am amazed that this is in my Maharashtra, and they have chosen this area so that we can proudly say this is in our Maharashtra. So yep, one of the best of the best. Let's have a look, right? Really, this is the Kailash temple, top view, man. I'm amazed, man. Let me just take some pictures and I'll just come back to you, okay? Yep, that's the main Garbhagriha, Nitya Mandapam, and you can see the lions also. They're intact, man. This whole mountain has been cut from the single mountain, and पहला तो ये Garbhagriha बना like this. All the shapes and all come through this Nitya Mandapam, this that, and everything is taken out. पहले तो मेरे को लगता है कि सिर्फ वो अच्छा खासा इसमें से वो निकाला गया, क्या कहते हैं, हेलो जाओ उधर जाओ, क्या कहते हैं, और इसे पहले तो अच्छा खासा पत्थर निकाला गया इसमें से फॉर श्योर, एंड देन धीरे 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 ये शेप दिया गया. ये है मेन गर्भगृह ऑफ द शिवलिंग, एंड द शिवलिंग ऑल्सो इज केपन ऑफ. इट्स वेरी डेंजर, डोंट कम हियर, डोंट कम हियर. सो पहले तो इसको शिवलिंग को भी इसका इसी में माउंटेन से शेप दिया गया. अंदर भी दिखाऊंगा, अंदर में भी ऐसा ही शेप है, लाइक ऑल सेम व्हाट इज ए सेम पर्वत. Amazed, really amazed. Look at it. So we'll go down and we'll see more and more, but this is what the genius look like. The genius of I guess I don't know who did it, but it's the one of the best of the best. Look at the details, man, and the whole other mandirs are small, and they're built from the same monolithic stone. Look at it. Jai Shankar Bhagwan. And whole temple is dedicated to Lord Shankar, Lord Shiva, because he is the main deity here. You can see some parts of Vishnu Bhagwan also, but the main deity is of Lord Shankara. So we'll getting down and we'll see, and we'll try to explore more and more and more, because this is something that requires 2 hours of exploration. That too minimum. Okay, I mean, have a look. I'm showing you the top side because you know I don't have any camera and all, but it's scary and being this shit. But yeah, that's what we do, man, to explore and have a look. Ooh, Sundar. Very. I mean, have a look at downside also. Okay, this side and this, whole from the same monolithic mountain. Same. ये इतना बड़ा माउंटेन था, अगर आप इसकी कल्पना कर सकते हो ना, तो ये माउंटेन होगा उस टॉप का, ठीक है, इतना बड़ा, इतना हाइट पे, एंड देन ये ऐसा 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 आके ऐसा गया, एंड दैट सेम स्टोन हैज़ बीन कार्व्ड आउट. दिस इज द बसाल्ट रॉक स्टोन, वेरी हार्ड स्टोन. जो शो यू, इसके लेयर्स होते हैं लावा के, इतना भारी होता है. So just have a look, man. Amazed, really amazed. So let's go there, get down, and I'll show you more and more and more. There's no limit of it. The best of the best. This is the Kailash temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva. The best ever dedication of Lord Shiva is this. Really, this is something else, really. And इसी के पास में वहाँ पे एलोरा शहर भी है, और पास में वहीं पे गृहनेश्वर ज्योतिर्लिंग, वो पास में आप देख सकते हैं वहाँ पे. मैं आपको लेके चलूँगा, बट समथिंग एल्स रियली. लुक एट द ईच डिटेल, मैन. लुक एट दैट लॉयंस. ओके, दे आर रिस्टोर्ड रियली, मैन. ओ मैन, अमेज्ड. सो लेट्स गो एंड लेट्स एक्सप्लोर दिस. Yeah, beautiful it is, huh? This is a stump of some kind. I don't know the name. This is, but बहुत कैलाश स्तंभ बोलते हैं इसको, बट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंट्री द गोपुरम, द नाट्यगृह, क्योंकि शंकर भगवान के डेडिकेटेड, इसमें नृत्य होता था बहुत सारे पहले के ज़माने में. एंड दैट इज़ द मेन गर्भगृह. शिवलिंग भी अंदर, पर वो खंडित है, तो उसकी पूजा नहीं होती. सम मुस्लिम इन्वेडर्स हैव डन दैट. सो येप, द ब्यूटिफुल, आई मीन, if you understand the thing now, monolithic means it has been carved out from the single parvat like this. Important, very important. So let's just go and explore. And there are many other caves also. We'll try to explore that also before 6 or 7 p.m. because we have to go back also. So let's see if this happens or not. So let's go. Jai Bole. View of the beautiful Kailash temple. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. That's very, very beautiful and most important Kailash temple of the Ellora caves. And you'll see the other caves also there, but let's just Kailash और देखते हैं, ठीक है? I know I must be sounding very exciting and crazy. But for this, I'm really crazy. So let's go. From here, 1 to 15 caves, and from here there are 16, 17 caves on this side. So this is very less explored, but I will try to first explore this Kailash temple, the beautiful one. पहले हम ऊपर गए top, and we'll see the top view of it. Now let's go downside and let's explore the bottom side of it. Okay. So we are at the main entry of the Kailash temple. Okay. I hope my camera does justice of exploring all the things. But here we are at the Kailash temple entrance. That's the Varaha Roop over there, Lord Vishnu. Many other views you can see. थोड़े से बहुत टूटे हुए हैं, तो जस्ट पार्डन मी फॉर दैट. तो इधर नाग रूप में है, एंड ये कछुए पे यमुना जी है, एंड ऑन दैट साइड यू कैन सी जस्ट शो यू वेट एंड that side you can see Ganga ji on Magar. So Yamuna, Ganga, all both are overseeing this gate of Shankar Bhagwan. And on this side we have the murti of Vishnu, probably Saraswati, Vishnu. You can see Vishnu. This is on the Garud Vishnu. तो वेरियस पुराने एकदम मूर्तियाँ, ये 8th century की है. यू कैन सी प्रोमिनेंटली विष्णु जी ऑन गरुड़, उनके मुख टूटे हुए हैं. तो दिस पहले तो ये मूर्तियाँ काटी गई, फिर ये बनाया गया है. ठीक है, तो इमेजिन कितना महंगा होगा ये, और कितने साल लगे होंगे इसको सिर्फ ये एंट्री बनाने के लिए. लुक मैन, बिकॉज छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स है इसमें. ठीक है, तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, जस्ट लुक एट इट, आपको समझा देता हूँ. तो ऑल एंट्रेंस पे सब विष्णु भगवान ही दिखेंगे आपको. उधर साइड भी वराह रूप, उनके जितने भी दशावतार रूप है वो सारे दिख रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. लेट्स गो नाउ एंड विल सी अदर पार्ट्स. तो अभी सामने मंदिर का एंट्री दिखा देता हूँ एक बार. ओह, दैट्स आल्सो वेरी गुड. ओके, हैव अ लुक. ये सामने में ऐसा देखने के लिए है. विल गो दैट ऑल साइड ऑल्सो, विल सी एंट्री पे. एंड जो साइड में है यमुना गंगा है. सो अब मैं इसको दर्शन दे रहे हैं यमुना जी, गंगा जी. वेरी गुड. लेट्स गो. Entering the great Kailash temple in the whole world. I mean, this should be included in the 12 Jyotirling, because it is one of kind of Jyotirling I think. Look at it. And थोड़े से मूर्तियाँ उखड़ी हुई हैं. You can't see it, but it's prominently there. So, the amount of bead also here is good. You can see the columns at the entry because structure को support करने के लिए. And have a look. Bead काफ़ी है यहाँ पे, तो I'm not showing all the everyone, but it's prominently very good. Let's get going now. Okay. So this is the entry Gopram. It's all good. You can see. Okay. Beautiful. And this side entry ये हिंदू टेम्पल है. इस साइड में जो एंट्री है आपका मंदिर के फॉर्म में गणेश जी को दिखाया हुआ है, साथ में माँ सरस्वती एंड मीना रुक्मणी जो भी उनके वाइफ थे वो साइड में. एंड दिस इज फॉर्म ऑफ मंदिर डिटेल्स एकदम. एंड दैट्स महिषासुर मर्दिनी on the side killing the Mahishasur in the form of buffalo. You can see. Let's just wait and I'll just show you. So this is Mata Durga killing Mahishasur Mardini on his trident. You can see. And this is the Mahishasur coming out from the muck of buffalo. तो स्टार्टिंग में ही आपको प्रोमिनेंट देवी देवता दिख जाएंगे, महिषासुर मर्दिनी एंड गणेश जी. दिस इज स्टार्ट. ओके, नथिंग एल्स. दिस इज द एंट्री गोपुरम इनसाइड एंड इसको एंड शो यू मोर. ओके, एंट्री वी हैव माँ लक्ष्मी resting on the cosmic ocean with elephants showering water can see showering water on the top. So you can see prominent Devi Devta you can see, and this is a riverbed which is shown. How beautiful it is, man! Come on, like it's like a cinema experience really. So that's Ganga ji and Yamuna ji on the side, and this is the Saraswati Mata on the base, on the beautiful. Nothing on the top, but side में पूरा माहौल है. So we'll just go and see more of this entry Gopuram first, okay? Then we'll go and see the Natyagrove, and then we'll see the Gopuram, okay? So this is also the Mahishasura the Demon King. You can see the thing on the top of it. This is the Mahishasura, and this is the Durga Mata killing Mahishasura. So beautiful. And this is Shankar Bhagwan and Ma Parvati. Prominently you will see Shankar Bhagwan and Ma Parvati Murti around here because this is the Kailash temple. And yep, it's good. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can see again one Murti of Ma Parvati and Shankar Bhagwan on this side. This is the entry Gopuram, nothing else. So everything is just like that. Okay. And जब महिषासुर को मार रहे थे माँ तो ऊपर से देव देवता फूल बरसा रहे थे उन पर. So it's prominently shown every culture of our Sanatan Dharma. So it's good. This is Vishnu Bhagwan flying on a Garuda. Why I'm telling this is a Garuda, you must be seeing a insan hai, because you see the wings on this side. That's all the Garuda. Okay. So beauty of it. Have a look. And ये अभी इतना सुंदर है. अभी तो बहुत कुछ बचा हुआ है. Like we are just entering the Gopuram part. That's why. Beautiful. I mean, and the caves also here. I mean, सबके लिए होगा किसी के रुकने के लिए. But it's very good, really. This is the Lord Shankar around here because you can see the trident over there. And yes, I guess this is the Harihara Roop because you can see the trident and the Shankh here on the both sides. This is the Harihara statue of Harihar. So it's very good. Elephant on this side, and this is the Kailash Thumb. Beautiful. I mean, to go to the other side and see. Let's go. We can see the other side of it. This is also the Kailash Thumb, and this is the other side of it. And yep, you can see all the murtis. I can't depict all and every each part of it because I just want to see. This one is I guess the human roop of Vishnu, because you can see the Kundal Kamal, and this we carry the what do you say, Jal, and this one is horses and with some arrow and bow. I don't know who is he because there's a Brahma also on sitting like that. So and arrow is shooting something. I don't know who is he. I guess Ramji, I guess. And see the whole painting of it. This is white thing, na. It's all painting of the mandir. So it was all painted by Ahilyabai Holkar in the 18th century. It was all taken out. I don't know why, how, because of weathering and all. So the whole mandir was painted 200 years back by Ahilyabai Holkar. Ahilyabai Holkar is a very respectful lady because what she did is very commendable in Maharashtra. She restored every Jyotirling and main temple of Shankar Bhagwan in all over India. So this is what she did, and that's why you can see the paintings and all. Look of it, the paintings, but it's not there. So very good. So you can see the Varaha Roop, the Narsimha Bhagwan, and मंदिर के गोपुरम के फॉर्म में इसको बनाया हुआ है सारे के दीवालों पे, and it's very beautiful. Like have a look at this one. मंदिर के रूप में बनाया हुआ है. That's why it's looking fabulous. Really. I'm not saying it, just to see it. Okay, beautiful. हर एक कॉलम में डिटेलिंग है. Like 8th century, it's a very long time, really. You can see the Brahma. We are entering the, what do you say, Natyagruha Mandapam. This is the Natyagruha Mandapam. You see from the side of it. And this is the Kailashtam. The elephant structure is on both sides of the mandir, so you don't have to worry about it. You'll see every time. And this mandapam also, this pillar also. So it's good. Yeah, really good. And now we are entering the Natyagruha Mandapam, because where the Nritya and everything happened, because Shankar Bhagwan is also very likely to see the Nritya, because he is called the Lord of Dance because of the Nataraj Roop. So, yep, it's good. So let's go and let's start exploring the other parts of the temple, I guess. Okay. So we are entering the Gopuram of the Natyagruha. So beautiful. Let's just enter it. Okay. So this is also, I guess, the Mahishasur Mardini. Prominently, you'll see Mahishasur Mardini everywhere. Like, as you can see, prominently. You can see all the hands of her, and here also. Beautiful. I mean, just have a good look at it, because I don't know if you can see it or not, but yeah. This is the Mahishasur Mardini, who killed Mahishasur, the buffalo demon who was bothering the world. So it's good. You can see it. It's killing the Narmund on the bottom of her feet, the elephant, and a girl, the bowl of blood, and everything is properly restored. Yet, have a look. Yep, the column design is also very good. So it is super good. And I must say, the one recommendation is you should be exploring and putting one card over here to let people know what statue it is and what structure it is. So it's pretty good. Yep. One of the best of the best. This is Mardini and Shankar Bhagwan. You can see is Lord Vishnu sitting with all बढ़िया से, and all the gods giving him proper. You can see Indra, Mataji, Shankar Bhagwan with Parvati, and many gods. So beautiful. Name is Kailash, but important given to everyone. So beautiful. So let's go down and let's go inside the mandir from there. Or from there. From here, we can see the most important structure. This is the 10-headed demon Ravan, who is lifting the Kailash Parvat. You can see the Kailash Parvat, and he's having 10 arms, 10 faces. So what he's doing is lifting the Kailash Parvat, and you can see by what Shankar did, कैलाश पर्वत के बस वो पैर रख दिया, एंड इसके कारण दब के हालत ख़राब हुई है और वैसा घुटनों पे आ गया. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दिस इज़ सम काइंड ऑफ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. तो ये पूरा ना हर एक जगह पे डिटेल हो गया हर चीज़. सो यू डोंट हैव टू सी, यू जस्ट हैव टू लुक एट इट. बट लोग क्या कर रहे हैं ना, मैं देख रहा हूँ, बस फोटो ले ले बस हो गया भाई, तो वही कर रहा हूँ. आई नो, बट आई एम जस्ट प्लेइंग एवरीथिंग मैन. So the Nataraja. Paintings you can see, but mostly the paintings are gone. I would पेंट करने को खर्चा लग जाएगा इतने सारे, तो अपन से पेंट करवा दो यार, क्या दिक्कत है ना. 1.5 साल और चल जाएगा. जैसे पेंटिंग क्या कहते हैं अपने, इसमें इन्होंने कराई थी वैसी पेंटिंग आप भी करा दो, क्या दिक्कत है? तो या दैट्स द Nattigro, and let's go inside the Sabha. Beautiful. We'll go that side also, but first let's go inside of this beautiful temple. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर, रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा. So we are going inside the beautiful Kailash temple. Oh, yeah, we are on the top here, and this is the Nattigro. Okay, this is the Nattigro. Okay, I'll just show you. Wait, पहले देखते हैं. See, the paintings I'm talking about is this. अहिल्या भाई ने कराई है, खोल कर रहे हैं. I don't know what kind of murti is this. I guess this is Durga Ma killing the demon. I can guess, nothing else. Really I can guess. And अब देखिए, आप ही देखिए, ये पूरा माउंटेन को काट के माउंटेन बना है. तो डिटेलिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू, ब्यूटीफुल. एंड थोड़ा सा भी जिसने काम किया यहाँ पे, अहिल्या भाई ने, हैट्स ऑफ. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू शो एवरी टेम्पल ऑफ every structure, but I don't know I can show it or not, but it's beautiful. So even I don't know about every other temple or structure, so pardon me. Behind this one is the Gopuram main. Inside it the shivling that is totally made of this monolithic stone. So let's go in the Nattigro first, where we can see the Nandi presiding. Okay, so this is the main mandapam or the main garbhagriha. Beautiful, amazed, really amazed. Let's go and watch the full thing. I'll just show you each and every part. You see the paintings. 2 साल पुरानी है, but it's okay, still fine. And this is the Nandi Bhagwan facing the Lord Shiva's Murti. Beautiful. Jai Nandi Bhagwan. So this is you see the art, but it's all gone right now. So but it's there. So this is the Nandi Mandapam, and yeah, it's beautiful Gopuram of the entry. So हर एक चीज़ का entry है. So everything is open here. You can see. Come, let's go and see it. Okay, and that side also. You know why I'm seeing all this thing and showing you everything, because it must be known, okay? और culture. मम्मी को जगह दिखाता ना, तो she will be like the happiest person ever. But so let's go and see it. So this is the main entry, or from where you can see all the people coming inside. I'll show you. Beautiful. Right here, I'll put some time.